Now if I just click on this record icon, it will start recording my screen. Okay, if I just click, a countdown will start, which I have enabled here in our tools, and then it will start recording my screen. Okay, like this. You can see, press F10 to stop and a countdown start. Okay, now we are recording our screen. Okay, if I just go to this Camtasia recorder setting, you can see our recording has been started. Okay, you can see the duration here, and other than that you can also adjust your audio level while you are recording. You can increase it or you can decrease it. Okay, I will keep it as center. Other than that, you can just click on this delete key and it will delete all of your recording which you have recorded to this point. And if you just click on pause, it will pause your recording. Okay, and you can just click on resume, again it will resume your recording, you can see. And if you just click on this stop, it will stop your recording and directed you to Camtasia Studio. Okay, and then you can edit your recorded file there. For example, if I just click on this stop, you'll see it will stop my recording and direct me to Camtasia Studio. Now I can directly edit my recorded clip here in our Camtasia Studio. You can see it is preparing us, and then Camtasia Studio will open and we can edit our clip there. You can see that our recorded file has been brought here in the media bin and also in timeline. Now we can edit our stuff here and render our clip and upload it to YouTube or Udemy or any other software or website. Okay.